Hey guys, today we are taking a closer look at the back half of the new Intamin roller coaster coming to Islands of Adventure. Let's see what has changed since last time. In the front half of the ride, we can see another piece of track was placed for the first inversion, as well as some more theming and building structures going up. And in the back half, we have another confirmed inversion. Here's an unofficial guess as to what is going on back here. These new supports with upside down connectors indicate some type of long inversion here, likely a stall. These two newer supports are quite far apart from each other and have an interesting angle that could possibly indicate a wave turn. The two helices back here are quite obvious due to the connectors and the spacing between them. So a guess as to what's going on here. Out of the second launch, you'll go into a top hat, exiting that top hat into a quick right left, sort of like you see on ISpeed. Into an upside down stall, down towards the water, and back up over a guest bridge. A small dip down, and next you're into a sideways airhill and back down following the same path you just took. This is pretty smart of Universal because it makes the track just that little bit less noticeable from across the lagoon, and it lengthens the ride and makes it have a more organized look. Another overbank over the same pathway, and then a section just feet above the water to keep the view of the Discovery Center unobstructed. A heartline roll and a right-left into the final brake run. That is it for today. I will be sure to keep you updated as more supports and more track goes in place for this incredible roller coaster. How lucky are we to be getting a ride like this in the Orlando area? Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see what the first half of the ride might look like, I will post the link in the description, and see you next time.